on Ouch Palangi Show.
Okay.
On VTFM. Kita bayar juga bikin merino kata mereka berburah. Many people around the globe and here locally in Fiji. Wake up this morning with the Facebook. Say something wrong.
They find something wrong.
Yeah.
And a lot of loading. A lot of spinning there. Some people call this morning. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
But it's from the
Meta.
Yeah. But we're trying to get across the live video this morning on Ouch Palangi Show. And we'll see whether it'll go through or not.
Pakandua.
Tulaudala from Rewanao.
Right.
It's Mosese. Soloveni.
Right.
Junia. Mbasa.
Right.
Chone Tukana. Andingisa. And Sobita. From Awatau from Rewa.
Did you trim your mustache this morning?
Yesterday. Before yesterday.
Oh, okay. Right.
Mustache.
Fala never trim. Fala nruchin.
Tumbu.
Sabi kami na kada sa counting down the days, number of days left for the year.
Right.
Before we say goodbye to 2024 and say mbulu binaka. And welcome 2025.
Right.
Na po nga di vidali sa Kote Batanda.
13 more days.
This is the 12th day.
Right.
Of the last month, December 2024.
Right.
Debes. Tapa na mo na feeling ala ko durimi uchuga ng ngono.
I'm feeling right now.
Yeah, what's your feeling right now?
The feeling right now, I'm hyper.
Hyper.
I want to go home.
Whoa.
Hypertension.
Hypertension ko rin na matindi suka.
Why you want to go? Maybe we just started work this morning.
No, because
something at home is
this is not the home here in Suba. I want to go to the home in the village.
Oh.
I want to go. I want to see my
go for good.
My mother. I want to see the family there. Yeah, I want to see. I miss them.
Hey, Skype nga.
I don't want to see in the screen. I want to see naked eye.
Okay.
Oh, you want to go like this, Lambasa?
No, don't want to go to Lambasa. I want to go to Nambualu and straight home.
Jauh gare?
Jauh gare.
I
want to eat the
what?
The fresh from the farm.
From the village.
Village. I want to kokonda and everything.
What you eating in Lolombo? You not eating
no, the fresh kokonda like that. You know, some of the
kokonda in Lolombo is the best one.
No, I want to eat the one in the village. The one who, you know, that's inside our brain and atmosphere of the...
Right. The taste is still there.
Yeah,
kalikina.
Right.
Tatarbi ko. Tarun ko kinto na una.
Yeah, mate.
The first, kita na ito okay. And the club na kaya, may daw kali.
Yeah.
Pumunta ko sa mga lutungay kali.
O sa mga lutungay kali?
Akala si lima, si akala si ono.
Na mundo na mata na.
Okay, ito may the period of kali, period na lubenda. Pamadaltang man the period na sili matatavira, na dapa na kali, na kena imbale-mbale, kena kado yado kina.
The kali is a form when we was inside the stomach.
Right.
There is a form of one. But when you reach when the umbilical cord removed from you, cut. So that means you are alone in this world.
Okay.
You are not alone. You are no more independent.
Okay. Continue. You cut the umbilical cord, you know.
Kimrosa
you are separated.
Ni may mus na bido.
Right.
So you are standing alone. So from there, the only one that connects you from
your life
to
the earth is what?
Is the
mother.
It's the mother.
Okay.
You feed.
Right.
But when you grow up, there is a change of life in the cycle, the process of your growing.
Okay.
When you grow up, from weeks, month, 2 years.
Right.
In the years,
Talo tama tare mati ni bula na taba na yado bir na kalay.
Some of us, in the first
month,
you can see the eyes does not connect frequently. Sember ninday na matan, right?
Maka sira mati ni juga ira.
Sometimes a virtue na matan, right? So sometimes we use our hand in front of them.
Right.
We move our hand
to guide them.
To guide them.
Guide the eyes.
If the eyes is moved together with hand. That means Sunday na mata na.
Oh.
Iya.
Sunday na.
Second month.
Second month,
Iya.
you see them,
Iya.
they start to connect with the sound coming.
Oh, narorongo.
Nararongo.
Right.
So some of the mother
Still dudu.
still do.
Right.
So Dudu is like that every day is a channel, eh?
Right.
Yeah.
They follow it frequently.
And they wake up during the odd hours.
The odd hours,
Yeah.
at night, like AM, 3 AM,
Right.
4 AM,
Right.
they woke up.
And their cry sounds like what? Right.
That time, Daddy, the time of crying.
The time of crying,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
please,
Yeah.
this is a test. Respect
Yeah.
when the kid is crying.
Yeah.
Okay.
The infant, the baby is crying.
Yeah.
Right.
Never trespass.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
That's a danger zone.
Okay. Carry on. Third month.
That month,
Yeah.
you can see them. Sometimes they crying when their diapers is wet or
Okay.
they want to bath.
Feeling is becoming more.
More adapted.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
they know the protocol, the pattern of life.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. 10 a.m. bathing.
Right.
Okay.
This time feeding.
Alright.
This time sleeping.
Right.
They know the pattern of life. So when you miss the time,
Yeah.
cry.
They cry.
they cry.
Right. Fourth month.
Fourth month.
Right.
This is the time
Yeah.
you can see them
Yeah.
Making action.
making action.
Yeah.
Right.
They sometime you going mom.
Yeah.
They crying at the back.
Yeah. Right.
Sometime the voice when coming outside, they know
Yeah.
what you are talking about.
Yeah.
Even though they don't talk.
Yeah.
Even though they don't show the
Yeah.
direction.
Yeah.
So they coming with
Kalimani pula.
kalimani bula.
Yeah.
This is to betul tak na bula.
Iya, may.
Iya, dalawa to shoot yung nga.
Yeah, may.
Kalimani bula.
Kau nak cakap melihat
Yeah, balik sila kali.
Saya lang ko na mga sama si Bertegelo style ko na konikal.
Yeah.
The fifth month.
Yeah.
That is the time
Yeah.
you about to change musabuki.
Yeah.
You capsize in
Yeah.
the earth.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Hasangan mo sa tabuki,
Break
mabuki.
dance yoga.
Sometimes you break dance.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah.
when the food, when the bottle or the breastfeeding is not on time,
Yeah.
Right.
we use our toenail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes we use our thumbnail.
Yeah. Di nasara.
We take anything.
Yeah.
We put in our mouth.
Kau ni bula.
Yeah, kau na ni bola.
Yeah.
This is the time.
Yeah.
We are about to aircraft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We take the spoon.
Yeah.
We smack our head.
Right.
We smack the bowl.
Yeah.
We
You want to be a drama?
turn to be a drama.
Yeah.
Ding ling ling ling.
Kami tu ni bula.
Kau di bola they
Kamu
give
laka-
the food.
Yeah.
Ati ko misal ko nakakana malumo.
Yeah.
Right.
Para bakan dewa taki.
Yeah. Right.
So we eat them.
Right.
Sometimes
Yeah.
we go. The mama knows what kind of food we really need.
Kau ni bula.
Kawalu bula, fish away. This is from the bakan dewa.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, bakan dewa. We need them.
Eat the fish. Kami ni bula.
Kadeo di bula. That's the time we crawling.
Yeah.
Crawling. Some of them they are very fast.
Yeah.
They are about to stand.
Right. Kami ni bula.
Kacini.
Kacini ni bula.
Kali.
This is the time. Siyempre,
Tell
kuwar
me-
kali.
Oh,
Dalawa
yeah.
lang tutor talita.
If kali ketini bula, that means a problem in the house.
Yeah, sometimes
Too
it's-
fast again. Mai.
Yeah, it's-
Ketini bula.
Kacini bula. Sometimes we are standing.
Right.
We are standing, we crying.
Yeah.
Okay.
We crying at the daddy, at the mama. Sometimes
We call their name, they
we call
react.
their name. They respond.
Mai.
Sometimes we
Mamam.
call, Tata.
Eh.
Mam.
Eh.
Mamam.
Eh.
Mamam.
Cirkan dua.
Cirkan dua.
Iya.
Ah, bolanya makin dua.
Iya.
Sebar. Makin orang kecil kelima.
Cirkan dua.
Iya.
Iya.
They start to no.
Yeah.
Sabay lasan tata buti, sabay lasan.
Yeah.
They start to kepaka. They want to rongo.
Yeah.
They want to rongo. They
Yeah.
want to move around.
Right.
Yeah.
They are looking forward to
Dancing.
dancing
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the music.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
dancing. Sometimes we
Yeah.
look inside the house. They are gone.
Yeah.
They are outside the house.
Right.
They playing around with the animal, the pet inside the house.
Yeah.
They used to talo.
Iya.
They take anything they want to eat, they put
Right.
inside their mouth.
Kay, ochochi.
Yeah.
Kali karni bula kali.
The kali.
Iya.
The kali sometimes, some of us with 2 years
Yeah.
above,
Iya.
some of us we use a bottle.
Right.
from the bottle,
Yeah.
Juice bottle.
When we coming to the kali,
Go.
the kali is a form.
It's the message go.
Yeah, the kali is a form of pretending that you are no more. That means you are coming to
Right. Independent.
Your mouth, your teeth is there.
Yeah.
Use your teeth.
Right.
Okay.
So you are away from there. There's another stage of life.
Right.
You're gonna grow beyond.
Right.
Like you
Next stage.
Yeah.
Next stage of life.
Yeah.
You leave the breastfeeding.
Yeah.
That means you are coming to the food, the tapioca, the fruits.
Sometimes you leave the house, you go to your grandpa and grandma.
Grandpa and grandma.
Yeah.
Sala singa madondo to mekina.
And the dudu, what happened?
The dudu, they use a chili.
Oi!
Sama ka nga iso lang oras sa melos ta kitu ngone. Sama ka na tutu. They rub the chili to the dudu so that the kids know it's
Tambu.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Sometimes they don't believe.
It's ganga.
It's nga. Sometimes they don't believe. We take the chili, we just rub on the tongue. They crying.
Yeah.
So they know it's
That's what he does.
chili.
Don't mo na. Rona kakaroon daw talita kon demission mo sa kalikina. Ngon sige bulo ono kina. Matenga nan rutan-ruta.
Iya.
Kira-kira karua. Utunin dia.
Ucuni dia me maroro na meka. Menra ku sila toloni wino ni malaki. We butu ni me bol nimbula. Tanggirin na belet. Bukan nana.
Tangan mata nangon.
Hey, Minawala Uzir Bites. Product from Punjas Biscuits. We love you all. Quality.
Yo, nangon ni kali jadi.
Iya.
Yo, tadi bito ko nito.
Mata sarang nangon na Teddy. Teddy sawarang tu nga. Kali nangon muka lang ko.
Jadi talaga nangang.
Sometimes Daddy jealous
Kayak
too.
bulan yung asa tunod ko sa akal.
Daddy maroy ko.
Ay, sagalay.
Nawala sar sing mo mata ka binangan ni ko.
Wey.
Oh, yung nakatalian ni Bay Zero Bites.
Yeah.
Quality product of Punjas Biscuits.
Right.
And buku ni Nona Veito Koni.
Na boleh besar.